Welcome to this lesson on simple past WH questions. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer questions in the simple past tense. You will understand the structure, the meaning of WH words, and how to use them correctly in sentences like, "What did you do?" or "Where did they go?" WH questions are used to ask for specific information. They start with words such as what, where, when, why, who, and how. For example, the question, "What did you eat?" is asking for details about the action or event. Such questions cannot be answered with just yes or no. Instead, they require an explanation or a piece of information. To form WH questions in the simple past tense, follow this pattern. WH word plus did plus subject plus the base form of the verb and finally the object or extra information if needed. For example, what did you eat? Here, what is the WH word? Did shows the past tense, and eat is the base form of the verb. Remember, we do not use the past form of the verb because did already shows the past time. Let's look at the question, what did you do? The word what asks for specific information. Did is the helping verb that shows the past tense. You is the subject, and do is the base form of the verb. Notice that the main verb, do, stays in its base form because did already indicates past tense. So this question means you are asking someone about their action or activity in the past. You can use other WH words to make more questions in the simple past tense. For example, where did they go, when did she call, why did you laugh, and who did he meet? Each question follows the same pattern, WH word, did, subject, and base verb. Using these structures will help you ask clear and grammatically correct questions about actions that already happened. When you answer a WH question, you usually give full information instead of just yes or no. For example, what did you do? I watched a movie. Where did they go? They went to the park. When did he arrive? He arrived yesterday evening. Each of these answers uses the past form of the main verb, such as watched, went, or arrived, to match the simple past tense. Sometimes people answer WH questions briefly, but they still make sense in the situation. For example, what did you do? Nothing much. Where did they go? Nowhere. Why did he leave? He was tired. Even short answers like these are understood because they fit naturally in conversation. Remember, the logic of past tense still applies, even when the verb is not repeated in the answer. Let's review what you have learned. WH questions in the simple past tense use did followed by the base form of the verb. Do not change the main verb to its past form when you use did. WH questions ask for details, not yes or no answers. Try making your own questions and answers. For example, what did you do yesterday? I visited my friend. Where did they go last weekend? They went to the beach.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.